So the real question is, should you get NVIDIA certified Agentic AI in 2026? The answer, it's absolutely yes. Here's what then nobody would tell you guys. Most people would actually waste around 40 to 60 hours studying the wrong things and they fail on their first attempt. So, because of this failure, the $200 exam cost down the drain plus another month of preparation. I'm going to show you as why this certification is actually worth in 2026, the four wrong ways the people prepare and why they actually fail, the right way to pass on your first attempt with just 20 to 25 hours of effort, and what to do after you are certified so that you can actually get hired. So, if you're getting this certification, and I'm going to say you should, but what you need to do is you need to ensure that you don't waste your time and money. So, let's get started, guys. Let's start with the key thing, that is it worth it? First of all, yes, it's worth it. Let's settle this. Is NCP-AI worth it in 2026? Yes, it is worth it. Now, here is the reason. The number one reason is market demand. See, Agentic AI is the fastest growing category in enterprise AI right now. The job posting mentioning Agentic AI went up by 340% in 2025, and we will be seeing the similar trend in 2026 too. Companies need engineers who understand multi-agent architecture, RAG architecture, LLM orchestration, and NCP-AI is the one that's a certification which is specifically designed to show you the credibility regarding this. The another key reason that this is preferred because the salary trend and the salary impact. See, data from 2025 salary surveys, it says that engineers with average NCP-AI has got the salary of 135K US dollars. Engineers without is around 118K US dollars. The difference is 17K US dollars per year. And in India, with certification, it's around 18 to 22 lakhs per year. Without, it's 14 to 18. That's the difference of 4 lakh a year. So the certification itself would actually pay itself in just 2 to 3 months for you in case if you are preparing and planning to have it in your resume. And another key reason that it's worth it because the HR filters. Almost closer to 70% of enterprise AI job postings now prefer or require the certification. And the reality is, you can be the best engineer in the world, but if you don't have the certificate, you don't get past this HR filter that has been set. And the question that most of us would think is this stupid? If you ask me, yes, but does it happen? Unfortunately, yes. So, what is the solution for this? Get certified. And the fourth reason that why it's worth it is NVIDIA's credibility. See, when you say that I'm certified in Agentic AI, people will ask as by who? Now, by NVIDIA, it means it carries weight. They are the name in AI infrastructure. Google, AWS, Microsoft all recognize NVIDIA certifications. And the fifth reason is structured validation. See, clients and employers want the proof that you understand what multi-agent design patterns are, what orchestration frameworks are, what exactly is this RAG architecture, agent evaluation, failure mode handling. And NCP-AI is the examination that validates all of this in a standardized way. So bottom line is, if you're someone who is serious about Agentic AI in 2026, get certified. But and this is critical. Don't prepare the way that most people would do. The reason is most people are preparing in the wrong way. Here are the 4 ways that people are actually wasting time and money whenever they are preparing for this NCP-AI examination. Wrong way one is they are reading all the documentation of NVIDIA. I mean, I've seen people downloading dozens and they start downloading these NVIDIA documentation, all 400 plus, like all 400 plus pages that you would get over there. And they spend around close to 60 to 80 hours reading everything that's present out there. Now, what is the result? The result is an information overload. They can't remember what's actually tested. And when you look into the exam coverage, it's just 30% of what they studied would appear. And as a result of this, the pass rate would be just 40% in their first attempt. So don't follow that way. And the second wrong way that I've seen people doing it is taking generic AI courses. So they take $50 Udemy courses on AI agent, which is not NCP-AI specific. And the content is good. But the problem right here is it doesn't map to the examination topics. It doesn't map to the ones that are being evaluated in the examination. Those are all good information. The content is good. But if you look into the examination coverage, there's just 50% overlap if they are lucky. And this brings down the pass rate to just 35% in their first attempt. And another problem or another wrong way of I've seen people preparing is using the examination dumps. They buy question dumps. They buy question dumps from sketchy websites. They memorize the answers without understanding the concept. And as a result of this, they think that, okay, I'm ready for the examination. But the key thing is the results are outdated and NVIDIA rotates the question. The dumps would be outdated. In such scenario, the examination coverage would be just 20% of the actual examination and pass rate would be less than 25%. And if you're caught, you would be banned. Next, the wrong way number 4 is no practice test. They study the concept. I've seen people who dive deep into the concept, build the project, they study the concept, but they never simulate the actual examination. On the test day, I've seen them having surprises. The time pressure will actually start surprising them. The question format will become unfamiliar to them. They run out of time and they fail. So as a result of this, the pass rate would be 30% if you follow this approach. So if you take a look at it, the cost of failing, if we talk about this cost of failing, let's say for first attempt it is $200, second attempt $200. So in total, you have already spent $400 on the examination cost itself, plus 80 hours of study time got wasted. And I'll tell you, there is a better way for preparation. Here, the right way. What exactly is the right way that you can follow so that you can actually prepare? So here's how you need to prepare efficiently so that you can pass on your first attempt. I'll call it as the SMART approach. See, in the SMART approach, first component you need to ensure is focused video course, not generic AI content, not 400 pages of document. Just focus on the course that provides you exactly what is covered on the examination, nothing more, nothing less. It should include the key elements that you need to find over here is like exam specific can be multi-agent architecture, rack system design, orchestration framework, agent evaluation, failure modes. These are the common examination questions that you would expect in the examination. And if you just follow this structured course, you can actually clear it with just the time investment of 12 to 15 hours of video. And second component is the practice test, the full length mock exam that simulates the real thing. Like it could be 60 to 70 questions, 90 minutes, having the same difficulty level, same question formats, detailed explanation when you get failed, so that you have it as a reference in the mock exam so that you learn and correct your mistakes. And I'll say you need at least 3 to 5 full practice tests before the real examination. And for that, the time investment would be just 8 to 10 hours. And the third component, which I would highly recommend, is quick reference ebook. So it can be the condensed notes for last minute review, where you can have a key concepts on one page each, the decision trees for architecture questions, common gochas and trap formula sheets for calculation. The total investment would be 2 to 3 hours for review. So if you consider the total time that you would be having over here, when we say total time composition, if you follow the traditional approach, it's 60 to 80 hours. But if you follow this approach, the total time would just coming to, let's say, very less. Like if you consider 60 to 8 hours, you'll be spending 40 hours on reading the document, 20 hours on generic courses, trial and error 20 hours, which is 60 to 80 hours, right? So if you use the smart approach, video course, let's say 12 to 15 hours, practice test 8 to 10 hours, and ebook review maybe 2 to 3 hours. So you are using this approach, and with this approach, you are saving close to 35 to 55 hours of time implementation or time invested. And if you follow this approach, let's say if you use the traditional approach, you would be getting 40 to 50% first attempt passing. In the smart approach, there is 85 to 90% jump in the pass rate in your first attempt, which is almost double your success rate. All right, guys. So for helping you, now the question is where to actually get this. I built exactly the complete NVIDIA NCP-AAI prep package, which is basically consisting of video course, 5 full-length practice tests, has got more than 300 plus practice question, quick reference ebook, and this ebook is also available on Kindle in case if you want to read from Kindle, or you can also order the paperback too, and the study plan so that you can get started, guys. So it's designed to do just only one thing: pass on your first attempt without wasting time. The link is in the description. All right, guys. So the investment for this course is very much less than what you would be getting, let's say, if you fail. Okay, so you can just go ahead and compare your retake effort of $200 versus the course price versus the 30 to 40 hours that you would save and 4 to 6 weeks of delay that you are saving. All right, the return on investment will be an immediate in this scenario. Now, the key question, most of the people would get stopped over here. Okay, I get certified, now what? Well, first of all, let me just give you and tell you about what exactly this certification is going to give you. The certification is going to give you the credibility, the proof that you understand the Agentic AI concept. You pass the HR filters. You pass the client credibility, and you have got the structured foundation. But key thing that you also need to be remember, and I want to be honest with you, what this certification doesn't give you. It doesn't give you the production deployment skills. It doesn't give you the debugging the complex failure. It doesn't give you the cost optimization experience or real system architecture decision. That's the gap, and that's a common gap in every certification, which is same over here as well. So certification will help you get into the interview, help you to pass that HR filter. But always remember, the practical skills can only get you the offer. This is where the hands-on work would come in. Now, after you're certified, you need to build and deploy the production system. You need to build and deploy this production system, not POCs, not tutorials, system that can handle the real traffic, which can actually work in real failures, real cost constraints. And this is what I would actually teach in our 8-week Agentic AI bootcamp. So in this 8-week Agentic AI bootcamp, what we do is we actually take the learners who have got the foundation or just new to the Python programming language, we turn them into the engineers who can ship them into the production. Now, in this bootcamp, you would be learning how to deploy to cloud, how to implement full observability, cost optimized, production grade error handling, which includes building of the full workflow with the pipeline, which follows the 7-layer architecture of any agentic AI system. So the difference over here is certification can help you prove that you know theory, and bootcamp is the one that proves you that you can execute, and you need both. And the next bootcamp is actually starting on February, and we conduct the bootcamp every month. You can just check out our site and know about when you can join it, if it's right for you, if this is the level that you want to operate at. All right, guys. So what is it, the complete package that you need to start with? Step 1, just use the focus preparation course, pass on your first attempt, save time and money. And then when you're ready and you feel like you want to operate at a higher level, and when you feel like you're ready, go begin and build the system. Join the 8-week bootcamp, deploy the production system, get the real world experience that you would actually need by building everything from scratch. Then step 3 is simple. Get hired. With your certification and portfolio, with theory and practice, you'll be unstoppable. You can pass the filters, you can win the offers. That's the easiest way to master and enter this agentic AI in 2026. The links are provided in the description for NCP-AI course, the Agentic AI production bootcamp. If you're serious, I look forward to seeing you there, guys. So, final, is it worth it? Yes. Should you waste 60 to 80 hours in using the traditional method? Don't do it. The smart path, get focused materials, focused on, pass on the first attempt, save time and money, then build the production skills. The complete formula is this: certificate plus practical skills will be a complete package for you in your agentic AI career in 2026. All right, guys, that was it for today. So if you're ready, the NCP-AI course and bootcamp, both of them are linked in the description. Get certified efficiently and then get good at building. That's the path. So thank you for watching, guys, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content on agentic AI. I look forward to helping you on your agentic AI journey.